just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of a parcel that's just arrived today. Very exciting. It's a Playseat L33T PlayStation edition. This has come from Playseat themselves in Europe, and it's just turned up today. So first impressions, it's a very heavy box, so just bear that in mind if you are ordering one. It's been delivered by FedEx. They promised 48-hour delivery. It's actually nearer to double that, but we won't get into that too much. It's turned up. The box is not in great shape. It's a little bit damaged, as you can see here, but this does appear to be an outer box anyway, so just going to pop this open and then we'll get the inner box out and just check what state that's in. So let's cut this one open first. Go, isn't that beautiful? Okay, so the inner box actually looks in slightly better shape. It's not completely undamaged. In fact, the outer's just falling apart, but that looks okay. So I'll just shift this one upstairs. You can see a bit of a puncture mark here in the outer. Looks like it's gone into the inner, but hopefully that won't have done any damage. I can just put my finger right through the box there and feel the seat inside, but it is wrapped in plastic and it doesn't feel like it's punctured the plastic, so we'll whip that out and get it upstairs and have a look. Okay, so I've got the box upstairs now. Like I said, it did take a bit of work getting upstairs. It's quite a heavy box, 35 kilograms to be precise, so just bear that in mind when you're ordering it. It's going to be quite a heavy lift. If you've got someone to help you, then that's probably good from a manual handling perspective. But this is the first Playseat or first gaming chair I've owned. Normally make do with your box standard sort of office chair, but I've just recently redecorated this room for gaming, and I thought I'd treat myself to a nice gaming chair. And looking at the bog standard sort of stuff they had on Amazon, they all looked quite cheap, especially the casters and the base, and I thought there's quite a lot of reviews of people saying that they've broken, and I wanted to invest in something a little bit better quality. I saw this and thought it looked really smart, so I thought I'd give it a punt. So let's get this box open and see what's inside. We'll just cut the tape. Now be careful here, because obviously this is a chair, so it's upholstered in sort of artificial leather. You don't want to stick your blade right in and cut through the leather. Now fortunately they have put a protective cardboard sheet there, but you never know where that's going to be after it's been transported. It could shift in transit quite easily. Nice smell coming out already, sort of plasticky leather. This looks like the gas lift part here, so we'll pull that out, pop that to one side, and we've got a couple of little boxes of various nuts and bolts to put it all together. A nice printed instruction manual, which looks pretty decent quality. Now that's the base there, which looks like it may also have an adjustable pad, or maybe the pad's just removable for cleaning. Maybe that will become clearer once I've got it out and assembled. So that's the base there. Base piece there. That looks like a piece of protective material for packing. And we've got two more little boxes here. Now I've noticed I've not seen any casters or the base, so I'm assuming it comes in pieces and has to be put together. So I'm now going to set to work putting this together, and I'll be back once it's assembled. I just wanted to show you this part actually, because I said I couldn't find a base in the box. The gas lift part actually has all of the arms connected to it already, and they're hinged so they fold out almost like a sort of umbrella arrangement, which is a really nice touch. I guess that's just, there we go, a sort of indication of the quality of this product over the cheap ones that they have on Amazon, although it wasn't exactly cheap. There's a big price difference between this and your basic one, but nice little touch. Anyway, I wanted to show you that, so I'll carry on build and I'll show you how the end product. Well, there we have it. The chair is together now. All in all, that took about an hour to put together, so it's not a quick job, but it is quite impressive how solid and well thought out the design of this chair is actually. The base is all bolted together around the legs, so it looks very steady and solid. This is all metal. You've got metal bars in between the legs and the metal legs. Casters are plastic, but then they do look quite robust. Got nice little leather inserts in here. It looks like the chairs are designed in such a way that they make the same parts for each style, and then they have coloured accents that you fit in depending on which model you've bought. So like around the arms, these parts here, these were little strips of leather inside the box that poked in here, so you could put any colour in there. Around the base, these coloured accents here, they actually, they're metal, leather pads with a magnet inside. Let's see if I can pop one out. Okay. I guess they're not meant to come out once you put them in, but look at this leather coated magnet like that. It just literally pops in underneath and fills in that hole there, so you get a coloured accent all the way around the base. Really nice quality gas lift, I have to say. It's a really nice chair. The pictures on the website don't really do it justice. It looks much better in the flesh. I was mistaken about the padding on the cushion. There is only one piece for each part of the chair, so it is a standard thickness, but they're all removable. So this section here, the base here, and around the back, we've got a textured panel on the rear here. These are all removable and they're just held on with Velcro. But really nice quality chair. The stitching, very neat. The play seat on the arms there. So all in all, very impressed, and it's very comfortable as well. I've sat on it for about 10 minutes now, and it is really nice and plush. You can definitely tell the difference from your bog basic cheapo office chair. Very supportive, and it feels very solid. The only criticism I might make is that the arms got quite a lot of play in them, but then they are adjustable, so they can be rotated in and out. Now you might be able to see from here, unfortunately this arm has a small amount of damage on it. There's a crack in the box. I guess that's probably happened in transit. If you remember when I was unpacking, there was a hole in the solar box. Looks like something has actually punctured the box and probably cracked that there. So I'll be contacting Playseat to see what their support reckon to that. Hopefully they'll just be able to send me a replacement part rather than wanting to return the whole chair, which I won't do. If they want me to return the chair, I'll just put up with it. But I guess that's more of a shame on FedEx rather than Playseat themselves, because they can't be faulted. But it's really nice quality stitching all the way around the pad as well. Lovely chair, really. You've got a nice bit of adjustment here on the side for the back. It doesn't tilt flat or anywhere near like 180, 170 degrees some of the cheaper ones do. I'll just sit in it and adjust it back so you can see how far it tilts. There we go. So that's its full adjustment there. So you get a decent amount of recline. The base also tilts back, so if you pull the gas lift arm out, it will tilt back. So if you wanted to recline on it, it will recline back quite nicely. The casters on it are also very smooth. You can really feel a difference from that chair over there. They roll really nicely on the floor. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you all soon.